I've not always been comfortable with maths. I've got better as I got older. My experience with work has helped me with that. But the tutors on this course, on these courses, fully understand our capabilities and are more than willing to help us. They're just perfect tutors. Whereas before, I've always worked 7 days a week. Now I've retired, I'm finding that my brain is not working. I don't remember things, so this stimulates my brain. This is what I want to do. It's working, it really is working. Oh, I've only been doing this 3, maybe 4 months, but everything's better in my life. It's just working well, it's good. We've done all sorts of maths. We've done trigonometry, decimals, percentages, geometry. Fair play, the tutors have all been very good, and I've varied it. Multiply is definitely the place to go because they understand that not everyone can do maths and what help it is for everyone. And it's good for me because you can help your kids as well. Well, grandchildren in my case, I'm afraid now, but you help your grandkids in school. It's flexible, and the tutors have been very flexible with me. So yeah, I've thoroughly enjoyed it.